Well, come with me for a drive. We're at Blea Tarn in Cumbria, and I've just had a walk around and I'm going to set off. Don't know where, maybe home. I'll turn the music off because of this fucking shite. It goes on YouTube. You get all that copyright shit. Hold on, moving the microphone. That should do it. Here we go. Woo! Check we're actually recording, not on my twat. Yep, we are. Whew. You know, be careful on these sort of roads. You can be best driver in the world. It's the shitheads going other way, like day trippers and everything. Well, like me, but some don't realise danger on a single track road. They'll drive like there's nothing coming other way. Idiots. On my way here, I had about 4 near misses for people. You know, drift slow. And like people driving, not looking, driving it middle of the road round a bend and everything. Idiots. It's quite scenic here. Woo! A few hills here and there. Oh, lovely white cottage. That Mercedes, I think, is weighted, or is he a shithead? Oh, he's weighted, I think. You get someone just stop and look at the views and all that, not give a shit that something's coming our way. So dangerous nowadays. Hey, lovely jubbly. It's 5:15 Saturday afternoon, so well, the sun's setting at about 8:20, I think now. It's got a bit hazy. I think this is like a lap you do and you come back on yourself. Really nice. Oh, it's a good valley, that, isn't it? Not if you can see it on there. Quite a good view. Hang on. Windscreen wiper washers. Let's see if that makes any better. Probably not, but there you go. There's a doggy. Yeah, black Labrador. Can't beat them. Oh, Mr. Sheep. That is a good valley. Not a bad thing, all this was underwater millions of years ago. Going downhill. Ooh. Yeah. It's quite nice, the Lake District. Shame it's been fucking ruined. Not tourists, but the people who are here extorting people, charging them stupid amounts of money. Car parks in the middle of nowhere, and they're putting pay and display meters in them when they've already paid for themselves years and years and years ago. Just pure greed and charging extortionate amounts. They try to milk every last bean out of you. Even the shops at Lake Windermere and that, overcharging people, ripping off foreign tourists. Really against it, really. You get a lot of Chinese, Japanese, Korean here, because when they were learning English at school, they did a lot of reading about Beatrix Potter. Well, that's the Lake District area, isn't it? So they like to come here because they read Beatrix Potter when they were younger at school. But then what are coming usually got mega bucks. So the tourists just try and rip them off. Not the tourists, the people who rip the tourists off. A few camper vans. That'll end up a rarity now. I think it's peaked. But is that excuse me, is that many jackasses now, busybodies, jobsworths, jealous spoil sport could say to them, you can't park there, you know, spoil it. That's why I got rid of my camper van. Couldn't be arsed. Besides that, if you go south, there's nowhere safe to fucking park. You go to a campsite, campsite, they want to charge you loads of money. You know, you're cheaper going in your car and having that hotels.com app on your phone and finding yourself an Holiday Inn or all this lot and staying in one of them. It's cheaper. And less aggro. Cleaner. I know wherever you can lay your at your own, but not in this country. Not in a lot of other countries. Nice to see people walk the dogs and that. I'm gonna bring mine up here. Oh yeah. It was a Fox Red Labrador, that. Like my Lola. Don't know why the speed limit's 60. What am I doing? Just under 40. It feels too fast. Yeah, parking there, parking here. Hey! Made them jump. Well, it's a lovely scenic view. Yep, some humanoids here. Slow down in a car. When I was a bit younger, I did a bit more walking, so my knees and my health ain't good enough at the minute. You get some ignorant fuckers like them two walkers there, double file. Why didn't you just walk single file, knew a motor was coming? Some have no courtesy at all. How the hell is this 60 mile an hour? I think I've got my telemetry data on, and you might be able to see it in the corners. You might show me speed. Oh, look at that. Some fat cows. Lovely fat cows. They're nice ones. The ones what live on my street, and I'm surrounded by fat cows on my street. They're fucking crazy women. Nutters. It's a nice view over there. Oh, 60 mile an hour still showing, and I'm not even gone over 40. I don't know why they have that, because you just can't trust the other person coming the other way. You don't know if they're a quality driver, an experienced driver, or just a plain out shit for brains. So you daren't risk it. And my experience, they're shit for brains. They could even see you coming and they'll still go flying. Brain dead. Like zombies. couple of van lifers. Outside. Oh, it's saying 20 mile an hour now. After all that, 60, now 20. Yeah, it's saying it now. 20 mile an hour. Makes you bloody laugh. And the road's actually wider. Well, he was doing more than 20. Shithead. Nice place of a council house. $5 miles to Ambleside. Ooh, bumpity bump. Well, a lot of humanoids. Bunch of pissheads. That looks nice.